Array are name string, and they are just like pointers, but you cannot have a pointer, pointer arithmetic. But you can use that just like a pointer, but you can initialize that to a pointer and use it. And strings can also be handled using pointers. Here is one example, is a string, and we are initializing, this is str array, and ptr is a pointer. This is pointing to the string. And using that ptr and keep adding, increasing that, so it will go to the next location. And in this while loop, it is going through all the elements until it finds a null terminator. That is your H, E, L, L, O. It will go through that, and until it finds, it will keep printing the character. %C is a character. Now, how do we get it? By dereferencing. And every time the loop goes back at this stage, it will point to the PTR will be pointing to the first element, then it will go to the next. After next loop, it will go here. After the third loop, it will go to the next one, and so on, until it finds the last character, which is null terminator, and then while loop will be exiting. So this is how the pointer operation happens. And pointer arithmetic, let's jump into the array. So that was a string we discussed, and now in case of array, the same thing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is array, and ptr is pointing to the first element. In this case, assigning to the address of the first element, and then the first element index is 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4. By adding index, pointer is staying same, but every time it comes here, it is locating the next item, and the next item, and the next, and the next in the array. And this is the for loop condition is I less than 5. That means this index, last one, the 4, will be printed. So here is the output. What's the significance of using all these memory pointers and array and strings? What's the advantage using pointer? So significance is the memory efficiency. Pointers allows memory efficient handling of arrays and strings, dynamic memory using pointers, dynamic memory allocation and deallocation is possible, and that we will cover later. That's like using new and delete, or malloc, and in C, malloc and free the malloc. Let's see this one, and then you have to free that memory. This is in C, and in C++, new and delete. Those are the operator. This is in C language. So by using that, it's very efficient in order to navigate the memory, and it's flexible. And another advantage of having pointer is function argument. You don't have to send all the array element in a function. You just can send the pointer, and using that pointer you can access the value just like we have discussed above. So the function argument becomes easy. Instead of passing an array or a string, you just send a pointer.